urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mahoning County until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 12 miles northwest of Canfield and moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Youngstown, Severance, Canfield, Boardman, Campbell. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Mahoning County, Ohio.
Shit!
Central Ohio until 4:15 p.m. At 3:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 9 miles northwest of Malvern, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Malvern, Homewood, Millport, Mechanicstown, Lisbon, Latonia, Guilford Lake State Park, East Rochester, Columbiana, Augusta. In addition to large hail and damaging wind, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is a killer. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Wednesday evening for western Maryland and east-central Ohio and southwestern Pennsylvania and northern West Virginia. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. Special weather statement.
To the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Columbiana. An urgent weather message.